we get, I got a 9/16. Let me see if you can see it. And we just take this out of here. We have the manager. Hello. Yeah? It's very tight. Alright, so I was able to lose this top one here. And it is actually losing the way the other way. But I can reach the bottom one, and this is not quite the right fit because I need millimeters. So I'm gonna see if I can find this hanging there. Okay, I know it's a funny angle, but I hope you can see. So I tried the 9/16 and it didn't work. It gotta be 14 millimeters. I think I screwed the bottom screw. So basically you take those two screws here. Alright, and this will come right off. There you go. Take it. I'm gonna put this inside the box so I don't lose it. And of course this won't come out. This will come out like this. All we need to do here, I'm gonna put the bottom one again. See this part here? We need to put a key, a wrench in here on this part and pull it back slowly. Get a smaller one. See this here? Just pull back so it gets back in. There, slowly. And that's the pad. One of the pads. Look at how it's looking. And this is the new one. So it was good time. Good times, huh? New, old. So see, this is a lot here. Let me move the camera a little bit. See, there's a little thing here, and this will slide right in here like this, of course. And I need to take this part off anyway. And take this back one. Oh wow, look at this. That was done. That was the noise. It surprised me that it didn't have, it looks like this is the sensor, but it didn't work. And there's a freaking cat meowing. So here, there are two of them. And this should be in here. So, oh, hang on, forgot about that. Gotta remove this thing here. Let's just snap it. Got it there. It snaps right out. There you go. So you got that. Snap this one too. Just put your wrench in there. And we should have a new one. It's like it's just two of them. Yeah, there you go. There you go. It looks like same. So there are 4 of one kind and 4 of the other kind. I'm gonna use the same kind I had. Snapping, snapping, great. Snap, snap. And now we have the brakes. Bang, right there. And brakes right there. So now I need to pull this back. So a guy doing this, it was so easy. Of course, everybody doing stuff is pretty easy until you need to do it. Oh, it's going back slowly, slowly. I think I need a little more. I don't know if you can see, but I need to put a wrench in here. See this part here? It gotta go back. So I need to do like this, but I need to be careful because there's this screw down there that I don't want to make it bad. And I can't take it all the way because it's not possible. So I just need to trust that this is going to work. All right. All right. Now I did it. Then it slides right in. And put this back on. And the bottom one back on. All right. Get our 14mm. Hide that. I can tell you it's a dirty work, but it might be saving a lot of money. So I just spent $40 on this ceramic brake stuff, brake pads. I like to say stuff. I can't get my clothes very dirty because my house is gonna be closed. I'm gonna close on our new house next Friday, which is 3 days from now. Then our clothes is all inside trucks and stuff, so I just have some in my car. And need to be very careful. All right. Oh man, I can't tighten this very much. Oh God. Hang on. All right, so after tightening the screws, you see this, it's kind of loose. You would do like this, right? So you gotta get inside your car and slam on the brakes. It's like many times. So remember that little piece I was pulling with a wrench, just pushing inside, not pulling. So that thing went inside, and this is going to put that out again. It's gonna press those two. And all right, so everything is tightened. Just double check. All right. Thank you. Can you put back in there now?
No.
Put it back in there. All right. All right, so we just saved. I just replaced one side because that was a bad one. I'm going to replace the other one, but I'm gonna wait to be 3 days to be my own garage. And Monica is right there. She's going to be in our garage too. So basically, I just save probably 200 bucks, 250. I don't know how much they charge. I'm going to actually call a mechanic tomorrow and ask how much they charge to replace that. And now I'm just gonna ride in there like to be sure that's braking. Follow me. Later.
Yeah.
Say later.
Yeah.
Say later.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Say later.
Yeah.
You later.
Yeah.